Merry Christmas Eve. Another short vlog for today. Basically, my power went out and it was freezing cold, and it just recently came back on, but I was playing some games at night and then everything just shut down, and it was like 20 degrees outside, and it felt like it was 20 degrees in my apartment. I was literally just like curled up in my bed all day, all night and all day. It was pretty bad, but all good now. I stole Benja's space heater. If you're not in the area, the Oregon area, we had a snow and ice storm. It was actually really windy. So I was at Caleb's place, and then I went to our end of the year team lunch thing that Matt always puts on, and then I went from there to here, and I've just been stuck here ever since because of the snow and the ice. So hopefully tomorrow, which is gonna be Christmas Eve for me, I'll be able to get out and do some last minute shopping and go to my parents' house so that we can go to my grandpa's house for Christmas Eve dinner. So that's what's been going on with me. But if you can't tell, I'm really tired. You think being cooped up would, I'd want to get out and have energy, but I'm exhausted. So that's literally it. That's just my little update for the Vlogmas, and I will see you tomorrow for Christmas for you and for Christmas Eve for me. All right.